So what's up, everybody? All right, so I just received my Huawei P10 Plus, the 6 GB by 64 GB phone, the blue one, and I thought I would do an unboxing so you can see this. All excited. I got it like 2 days ago, and I kind of wanted to show you what it looks like. And forgive the background noise. I think kids are playing next door. All right, so I already kind of opened the package, and I did take off the initial the plastic that was on it. And I'm gonna take. I like the package that they sent this thing as well. It's a very secure package, as you can see. Let's try to get the tape off it. 1 second. These are very good phones, by the way. I'm a very big Huawei fan. In fact, the phone I'm replacing is the Ascend Mate 2. Ascend Mate 2 that I had for some years, but the screen got cracked and the charging port got damaged. I replaced the charging port, but the screen is still cracked, and I think it's time for an upgrade anyway. So I decided to give the P10 a shot because I'm very comfortable with the Huawei device. So first, we're getting rid of this tape here. Like I was saying, I like the package. It's very sturdy. I like the ear pockets in this container, so it protects the device from damage. Put that aside. So this is what the package looks like. I hope you can see this. And then I'm going to open up now and see what's on the inside. So your anticipation is as good as mine. Oh yeah, so I like. It's pretty easy to flip it open. So this is what the box. This is what the inside looks like. I hope you can see this good. Yeah, this is the blue P10 Plus Huawei. I'm going to take it out of the box so you get a closer look as to what it looks like. This is the front. I like how it's not it's pretty thin. It's not a thick phone, which is good. Actually, it looks smaller than my Mate 10. Let's see what's inside of the box. So this layer put aside. What else do I need to do? Get rid of that. I think my charger is down here. Yep. So the charger is here. Charger, USB, my earphones, and I think this one probably is similar. It might be a USB earphone as well. Not sure. And there's something else. Let's see what else is in here. Inside of this section there is, oh yeah, so this is the wall charger as well. Wall charger, as you can see, the wall charger. And that's about it. All right, for the contents. All right, let's put these aside. Put the box aside. All right. Let's now open up and see what's inside. Kind of like this. All right, so I'm gonna take the plastic casing off this. You know what? Let me slide it. I think it can be slid out from inside of this. Let me just slide it out. And this is waterproof, if I'm not mistaken. I think that's one of the things that is unique about this model. And it's dual SIM. It's giving me a hard time to open up, but give me a second. I'm gonna get to it in a second. All right, hold on. Whoa, those kids are really having a ball over there. Hope you're still hearing me. All right, hold on. Let's try to pull it out from this way. Nope, looks like I have to do another way to get it out. It's well secured, by the way. Okay, this is what I should have done to pull the side. I'm sorry. Good, got it out now. I like this. By the way, blue is one of my favorite colors. Pretty nice, pretty nice. I like this. All right. Now I don't know if it needs charging, so I'm gonna assume it doesn't need charging and try to turn it on and see what happens. So let's see. Holding the power button down. All right, it's coming on. Yep, it is coming on. I hope you can see that. Huawei. So give it a few seconds for it to do its diagnostics. All right, let's see where we are. Yeah, nice little on music there. It's still doing its thing. Give me a few seconds. Huawei. This is new. My original one didn't give me that globe looking thing. All right, good. So let's try to see what we can get here. The battery's kind of low. All right, and so it's fully loaded. Go to the Play Store. Well, I don't have any connection right now, as you can see, but I'm planning to put my SIM card. It's unlocked. I want to try to see what would happen. I want to put my SIM card in there, but I'm not necessarily going to do that now. For right now, I just kind of wanted to go through. It's pretty fluid, sliding from one section to the next. Comes preloaded with Facebook. Hold on a minute. If you can see that, you can see it's preloaded with a couple of the apps, Facebook and so on it. All right, let's see. Messenger. Right, but this is just a basic overview. Just want to make sure that I did this for those of you that might be kind of skeptic. Now, the thing about the Huawei devices is that, like even this one, the quality is pretty good. It's up there like with the Samsung S8. Let me do something. Let me try to take a picture. 1 second. Let me try something here. See if I can take a picture. See what it looks like. All right. So I'm gonna take a picture of the outdoor, and I'm gonna come back and show it to you what it looks like. It's sunset. All right. So this is my first picture. Not looking badly at all. You see that? Quality is pretty good. I kind of like that. Yeah. Quality isn't bad at all. Let me try doing a quick video, and see what happens. Yes, I'm proudly holding my Huawei P10 phone, and I'm already liking this thing. All right, let's see. I'm gonna stop this now. All right, good. So here's a video. Oh, sorry, it's not playing. Hold a second. Come on, video. Sorry, 1 second. Let me go back for it. I thought I just did a video. Well, it took a picture of me. It's my ugly face. Looks pretty good though in terms of the quality. Another picture. I thought a video was done. Let me try it for a video again. Hold on. Let's try a video. Alright. So I'm proudly holding my Huawei P10 Plus. The blue Huawei. Pretty nice phone. I'm already liking it. Alright. Okay, let's get this now and see. So here's my video. Alright. So I'm proudly holding my Huawei P10 Plus. The blue Huawei. Pretty nice phone. I'm already liking it. It's pretty cool, right? Yeah. So it's a pretty nice phone. Like I said, I'm not going to do a whole lot here. I just kind of wanted to quickly show you this so you can get an idea of what it looks like. In terms of performance, if time permits me, I would open it, but honestly, I don't know how easy or difficult it is to open this thing to get to the SIM compartment. So I'll do that afterwards, but at least right now, here it is. Pretty sleek design. I like it. And if you're interested, there's a link below that you can click on, and you could get some more information on it and possibly purchase one as well. But it's pretty decent. This is one of their flagship phones. All right, thanks for watching, and I hope that this overview probably helps to pique your interest in the Huawei P10 Plus. All right, have a great day. Bye.